Alright, we're doing this recording. Me, Marcos, my son Aiden, making a recording. How to use a proper mace bottle when somebody's trying to attack you. Okay? We're actually using, we support cancer, you know what I mean? Breast cancer, so that's why we got breast cancer mace. But this is a mace bottle. And, hold it. So, we're using this mace bottle right here. Teach my son, he's 9 years old. So he got bullied today coming out of school. So we gotta teach these kids how to defend themselves. So we're gonna teach my son, he's 9 years old, how to use a proper mace bottle. Okay? So I say to him that keep a mace bottle, you know what I mean? They ain't gonna teach my son how to be a bad boy, but to protect himself when we're not around, his parents. So I got him a mace bottle. Remember, support cancer. That's why we got the pink one. We got a mace bottle. Keep it in his pocket. Do not show the mace bottle to anybody. You know what I mean? To anybody is watching this video. It's not so you can go ahead and be like, oh kids, look, I got a mace bottle. Oh, let me use it and spray themselves, and then they go crazy blind and teach everybody. We're not teaching the kids how to spray other kids. It's to protect themselves. Okay? So this is why we're making this video. Because nowadays parents ain't teaching their kids how to protect themselves, because parents are always working or they're doing something and the kids are outside. Nowadays, this 2018, you know, things happen. So we gotta teach the kids how to protect themselves other than try to use a weapon or pick up a knife or a gun and they could get in trouble. So a mace bottle is always good. Alright? First of all, just put that out there for the viewers. Mace bottle is good for kids 9 years old, 10, growing up, you know, try to defend yourself. Always carry a mace bottle. You know what I mean? So I tell him, keep a mace bottle in his pocket. Do not show it to nobody. Only self-defense. Try to prevent the fight. Walk always from school. Walk from school. Ban. Normally, anybody throw a snowball like they did my son and their friends, prevent that. Try to don't be always in a group. Always keep associates away. Always walk around. Always go school, home, and do what you gotta do. Listen to your parents. Do what your teachers gotta do. But if bullies comes around and you don't know how to defend yourself and there's a group of kids, have a mace bottle. Man, can't get in trouble. Just selling the AutoZone, any gas stations. If you can't defend yourself, go to martial arts or whatever. But always try to have a mace bottle, whatever. Nowadays, you never know what happened. Carry a mace bottle. So, I tell them, keep it in your pocket, whichever hand you write with, because it's always the hand you write with. So, left or right, put it in any pocket. Walk. Somebody come at you. Alright? And you see somebody coming at you, put down the camera to record. Come on. Come on, Aiden. Come over here. There's Aiden right there. Alright. We're gonna post this up over here. Let me change the flick. How you switch the flip? Alright. Oh, right there. Anyways, I'm gonna hold the camera because we're using an iPhone. So anyways, if, you know, this is Aiden, hopefully you can just see him, and somebody come up to him and he's being attacked by a bigger person, I'm gonna hand him mace bottle. Mace bottle. Okay? Do not spray it and nothing. Right? Somebody come at him, take the mace bottle out. See? It also got a little flip, so you can't always push it. Always got something to protect. So he's gonna use it. Somebody come up to him and he feels that he can't defend himself, and he got a group of kids at him, mace them all, which mace always spreads out in the air. Mace them, and then you can push them away, and run. Have a phone, call 911, call the parent. There we go, teaching you how to use a mace bottle. Hopefully you learn and not get bullied around and walk around with a knife or a gun, which I don't precall the government, you know what I mean? While this violence is going on. And let's get it.
You could take the mace bottle, have it in your pocket. You could hold a person, take the mace bottle out, and then use the mace bottle and spread it around their face.
All right, good example. So right there, we got a 9-year-old teaching his 38-year-old father. But we're doing this video so we could teach the kids how to protect themselves other than hurting and hurting somebody else with something real bad. You know, so we try to prevent that. Violence is not the key. There's always something to
The key is peace.
keep everybody in place and safe in the environment. Alright? So that's why we're making this video. Learn how to use mace bottle. It's not so expensive and it's safety.
It's like $3.
Alright? So if anything else, we gotta make some more videos how to defend with mace bottles. This is the first one. Follow us on YouTube. Alright?